Hi, I'm Richard Ho from OrangeTee AAG. Nestled in the heart at one of Singapore's most prestigious and exclusive estates, we present to you a rare opportunity to own this two-story semi-detached house as your next home. Located near the converted Good Class Bungalow areas, specifically 4th and 6th Avenue, this property is not just a house, it's an invitation to design your future home. We live the charm of old kampong lifestyle while enjoying the modern amenities situated nearby. Step inside to discover a carefully crafted layout spanning approximately 2,700 square feet of built-up area, comprising 4 good-sized bedrooms, a helper room, and 3 well-appointed bathrooms. The good regular rectangular piece of land allows for future maximum utilization of space, ensuring that every corner of your home is functional and inviting. This home is bathed in natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. With an elevated ground position, you can enjoy privacy and tranquility in your own sanctuary. The house now is in simple moving condition, ready for you to personalize and make it into your own design. In addition, the gas supply has been laid into the house. You do not have to worry about having half-cooked food in the middle of meal preparation. Priced competitively at $10 million, the motivated owner is looking for the right owner to take the reins of this exceptional property. Don't miss out on this rare gem that embodies both rustic and yet modern functional living. Act now before it's gone. Be part of this elite community and make this stunning semi-detached house your forever home. For inquiries and viewings, contact me at 9431 7756. Remember, your dream home is just a call away. Let's make it yours today.